Assalamualaikum class 7th. Hope you all will be good. Today date is 21st/7/2020. It's my 15th lecture and day is Tuesday. We have done comparison of adjectives. In my last lecture we have discussed positive, comparative and superlative degree of adjectives such as good, better, best, big, bigger, biggest. So we have also learned different rules to change positive degree into comparative degree and comparative degree into superlative degree. Today we will do book exercises. See exercise in grammar 15. So we will do exercise number 15, 16, 17 and 18. 4 exercises I shall discuss today. All of the adjectives you have learned. See, point out the adjectives and name the degree of comparison of each. So we will underline the degree of adjectives and we will also write it is comparative degree, पॉजिटिव डिग्री और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स, यानी हमने इसमें से सेंटेंसेस में से एडजेक्टिव्स को अंडरलाइन करना है, उनकी पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री लिखनी है. सो आई हैव राइट पी फॉर पॉजिटिव डिग्री, सी फॉर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री एंड एस फॉर सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. whenever we write positive degree it will be फॉर जस्ट वन पर्सन और वन थिंग, यानी एक शख्स या एक चीज़ के लिए जब हम कंपेयर करेंगे तो हम पॉजिटिव डिग्री लिखेंगे. इफ़ वी राइट कंपेरेटिव डिग्री वी राइट then THAN, and if we write superlative degree we write THE. Let's see how I can identify the positive, comparative and superlative degree in a sentence. See sentence number 1. The poor woman had seen happier days. So IER is written, so it is comparative degree, happier days. And poor is positive degree. Do not talk such nonsense. So such is again adjective such, or if we have no, these are also adjectives but we don't have any comparative and superlative degree of these adjectives. इसमें हम पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री नहीं लिखते. सो डू नॉट टॉक सच नॉनसेंस. सच को हम अंडरलाइन करेंगे. सच इज एडजेक्टिव बट वी डोंट राइट एनी डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स हियर. मेक लेस नॉइस. लेस इज कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. दैट चाइल्ड हैज़ अ स्लाइट कोल्ड. स्लाइट इज पॉजिटिव डिग्री. A live S is stronger than a dead lion. Stronger is comparative degree. ER is written. Whenever we have ER, it will be comparative degree. You know that. And we write EST with superlative degree. Say the same. Same is again adjective, such as such is adjective, same is adjective, but we don't have degrees of adjectives with these adjectives. So we will just underline the adjective. Say the same thing twice over. Solomon was one of the wisest men. Wisest is superlative degree. We write EST with superlative degree. So we will underline wisest and write as superlative degree. And we also have the. Whenever we have the, we will write superlative degree. We are comparing Solomon with all men. सलमान को हमने जितने भी मैन हैं उनके साथ कंपेयर किया है. Hunger is the best sauce. See, the with the we have superlative degree, the best sauce. His simple word is as good as an oath. Good is positive degree. There was not the slightest exercise for it. Slightest EST is written and the is here, so it is superlative degree. Slightest is superlative degree. My knife is sharper than yours. Sharper is comparative degree. बिकॉज वी हैव दैन. जब भी दैन हम लगाएंगे तो वो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री होगी. और ई आर से भी हम आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं कि अगर ई आर लिखा हुआ है तो ये कंपैरेटिव डिग्री है. स्मॉल पीपल लव टू टॉक ऑफ ग्रेट मैन. सो स्मॉल एंड ग्रेट बोथ आर पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. ऑफ टू इवल्स चूज द लेस. लेस इज कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. आई होप द मैटर विल बी क्लियर्ड up someday. So some is adjective, you will underline some. It is adjective but we don't write any degree of adjective because some has no degree of adjective. 15. Your son makes no progress in this studies. So no progress. No is adjective but we don't have any degree of adjective with दिस वर्ड. सम वर्ड्स डोंट हैव डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर एक एडजेक्टिव की हम डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स बना सकें. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिनकी डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स नहीं बनते, सच एज such, some, no. These words are adjective but we don't make any degree of adjectives with these words. जितने भी डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स हमने अभी तक किए हैं 15 सेंटेंसेस तक, वी हैव कंपैरेटिव डिग्री विद ER एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री विद EST. यू नो द रूल. इफ़ वी हैव टू सिलेबिक वर्ड, अगर हमारे पास टू सिलेबिक वर्ड हो तो वी राइट मोर एंड मोस्ट विद द डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. सी एक्सरसाइज इन ग्रामर 16. Make 3 columns and write the following adjectives in the positive, comparative and superlative degrees. I shall discuss this exercise but you will do it on notebook as homework. ये आपने notebook पर as homework काम करना है. So we know that if we have 2 syllabic word we write more and most, such as shameful. So shameful is 2 syllabic word, we write more shameful, most shameful. Clever, more cleverer, more cleverer and most, cleverer and cleverest. Pretty, prettier, y change into I, y को हमने I में चेंज कर देना है. Prettier, prettiest. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Hopeful, more hopeful, most hopeful. Honest, more honest, most honest. Important, more important and most important. Patient, more patient, more most patient. Rude, ruder, rudest. Delightful, more delightful, most delightful. Stupid, more stupid, most stupid. Attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Heavy, heavier, y change into I, so you will write HEAVIER, heavier and heaviest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Fortunate, more fortunate, most fortunate. Pleasant, more pleasant, most pleasant. So we write more and most with these adjectives to change comparative and superlative degree. You have to make 3 columns. You will write positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Then you will write more and most with these 2 syllabic adjectives. I hope you have understand कि अगर 2 syllabic adjectives आ जाते हैं तो उसके साथ आप more और most लिखेंगे. अगर y आ जाता है तो वो I में चेंज होगा. You will do it as home task. See next exercise in comparison 17. Supply the proper form, comparative or superlative of the adjective. So we have given degrees of adjectives such as good, hot, pretty, idle. So we will write the degree of adjectives according to the rule. See, how is your brother today? Is he better? We don't write good, we will write better. Good change into better. Second degree of adjectives we will write here. So second option is hot. May is dash here than any other month. Then is here. Whenever we have done we write comparative degree, so hot change into hotter. May is hotter here than any other month. Pretty. So her doll is dash than yours. So then is again here. So we write comparative degree. Her doll is prettier than yours. Idle. Hari is the dash y in the class. The we write superlative degree. जब भी द आएगा हमने superlative degree लिखनी है. Haris is the idealist. See, idealist y in the class. Sharp. Your knife is sharp, but mine is sharper. क्योंकि 2 को कंपेयर करें. Your knife is sharp, but mine is sharper. Dear. Honor is dash to him than life. So then is here we write dearer. Honor is dearer to him than life. Rich. He is the richest. The is written, we write superlative degree, the richest man in our town. Old. Mani is 2 years older than. See, then is here comparative degree, older than Rati. And large. Name the dash city in the world. The is here, so the largest city in the world. Good. He is the is here, we write best. He is the best friend I have. I have done first 10 sentences. You will do it on your notebook. See exercise in comparison 18. Supply appropriate comparative or superlative to each of the following. So it's our own choice. We can write any adjectives which is suitable in these blanks. We are given blanks, हमें blanks दी गई हैं, उनमें कोई भी जो भी suitable most suitable adjective होगा वो हम लिख सकेंगे according to the rule. See first I have written prevention is dash than cure. So prevention is better than cure. Then है इसलिए हम बेटर लिखेंगे. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री लिखेंगे. अकबर हैड आ डैश रीजन दैन बाबर. डैश रीजन, सो यू विल राइट लॉन्गर रीजन दैन बाबर. देन इज हियर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री लिखेंगे लॉन्गर रीजन दैन बाबर. सचिन तेंदुलकर इज़ द बेस्ट बैट्समैन इन द वर्ल्ड. इज़ द बेस्ट, द के साथ हम बेस्ट लगाएंगे, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री लगाएंगे. द पेन इज़ माइटियर दैन द स्वॉर्ड. माइटियर यानी बाइट से निकला, बड़ी है तलवार से, तो माइटियर. वी हैव डन, वी राइट कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. दैन के साथ हम कंपैरेटिव डिग्री लगाएंगे. वी कैन आल्सो राइट द पेन इज़ बेटर दैन द स्वॉर्ड. बेटर भी कंपैरेटिव डिग्री ही होगी. द डैश बिल्डिंग्स आर फाउंड इन अमेरिका. द लार्जेस्ट बिल्डिंग्स आर फाउंड इन अमेरिका. The Pacific is biggest than any other ocean. Which of the biggest is the bigger than? We write bigger than any other ocean. Which of the two girls has the most beautiful dress? ता के साथ most beautiful आएगा, superlative degree आएगी. Honor is dash to him than life. Dearer to him than life. दिस पेन इज़ कॉस्टलियर. कॉस्टली से निकला है, कॉस्टली को हम कॉस्टलियर दैन द अदर. कॉस्ट का मतलब कीमत होता है, कॉस्टली कीमती होना या महंगा होना. दिस पेन इज़ कॉस्टलियर दैन द अदर. हु इज़ द डैश बॉय इन द क्लास. आई हैव रिटन क्लेवरेस्ट. द के साथ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री क्लेवरेस्ट लगाइए. यू कैन आल्सो राइट हु इज़ द most intelligent boy in the class. Yeah, who is the most tallest boy in the class. You can write your own adjectives also here. The Eiffel Tower is dash than Qutba Minar. Older, क्योंकि यहाँ then लगा हुआ है, we write comparative degree older than. You can also write larger than. My uncle is older than my father. I have written older than my father. You can also write younger than my father. The multi-millionaire Mr. Seen is the dash the richest in this town. Wordsworth is a greater poet than Cowper. Balu is the best bowler in the 11. So the we write best, and then we write greater. I hope you have understand how we put degrees of adjectives if we have comparison, and we write then we will write comparative degree. If we have the, we write superlative degree of adjectives. the के साथ हमेशा superlative degree लगाएंगे और then के साथ हम comparative degree लगाएंगे. I hope you have understand the activity you have to do till here, and just exercise number 16 you have to do on your notebook to your own. Just write more and most if you have to syllabic adjectives. That's it. I hope you have understand my lecture. Allah Hafiz class.